We're gonna take off the engine oil cap. This is where we place the floor jack before jacking up the car. You're gonna place the jack stand in the rear of the car. We're gonna place a brick on the opposite side of the jack stand. We're gonna use a size 14 socket with a ratchet. We're gonna take off the drain plug, turning it counterclockwise. We're gonna use the oil filter socket with the ratchet, and we're gonna turn it counterclockwise. We're gonna dip our fingers into the new oil and rub it onto the oil filter rubber gasket. We're gonna pour some new oil to push out any leftover old oil. We're gonna place the drain plug back onto the oil pan. We're gonna place a new engine oil filter back onto the car. We're gonna pour some new oil, and we're gonna look under the car to make sure nothing is leaking. Now we're gonna pour the rest until it's all empty. This is the leftover amount that we took out. We're gonna remove the jack stand. Remove the brake. Now we're gonna lower the car. After the car was running, we're gonna check the oil level. Now we're gonna reset the service due maintenance light. And that's how you do a oil change for a 2004 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.